Here we're going to diagram the action and absorption spectrum of photosynthesis. To start this off, we're going to go ahead and make a nice big graph. And that graph has to have a labeled x-axis, and that is going to be our wavelengths of light. That is going to be measured in nanometers and should run starting at about 700, which is very red, 600, 500, and then 400, which is going to be blue or violet. Now we're going to do the action spectrum of photosynthesis first. The action spectrum of photosynthesis represents all the wavelengths of light that are used in photosynthesis. So our y-axis here can be the rate of photosynthesis. So at a given wavelength of light, photosynthesis proceeds at different rates. And generally, there's a huge peak in the blue-purple. It dips down for green and then has another peak in the red-orange area. Contained within that, we are going to find the absorption spectrum of photosynthesis. The absorption spectrum is the percent absorption of light at given wavelengths. And this refers specifically to two pigments, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. We'll find two peaks of activity in the blue-purple area, dips down again in green because green is reflected, not used, and then again two peaks of activity in the red-orange. Now these peaks actually represent different parts. The A chlorophyll is the first and the last peak. The B chlorophyll is actually the two inside peaks. And those represent the different wavelengths of light that are going to be used in photosynthesis. Here's a cleaned up version.